everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name in Marvel Snaps. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure to open your Marvel Snap application from your app drawer and also make sure that you are logged in with your Google account. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap the gear icon at the top left-hand corner, which will open up your settings page. From the settings menu, scroll down and under player name, you'll be able to see your current name that you are using for the game. Tap on the name and enter a new name you'd like to change to. After typing in your name, you can tap on the confirm button. Remember that you can only change your name on Marvel Snap once every 30 days. You can enter a new name according to your choice or ask Marvel Snap to create you a name by tapping on Make Me One. After typing in your name or choosing your name, tap confirm and you'll be able to change your name in Marvel Snap. Pretty easy, isn't it? As you can see that my player name has been changed. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.